This is a stock exhaust, stock air intake, and stock filter. I'll give it a few revs if I can put this down right there. There we go. Now to install the air filter cover and air filter. Ta-da! Push down on the tabs and give it a pull. Here's the new ones. So this is a K&N air filter, and this is a DNA air filter. Okay, let's guide this down there. There we go. And click, click. Give it a wiggle. She's in. As easy. I'm going to save on this. Save on this. I'm going to save this. DNA top cover. Done. Put this cover away because I don't need this anymore. Now to do another sound test. Alright, so the stock air filter and the stock cover, air filter top cover, compared to the K&N air filter and the DNA top cover filter, it's a mouthful, there's not much of a difference in sound of idle, but when you rev it up, definitely a difference. Oh my god, yeah, that's a hum, there's a friggin' hum. Oh yeah. There's a difference. Definitely a difference in the sound. More so at the high rev range. Do I find any difference in performance? Honestly, I don't. There might be a little difference, but it's not noticeable. I'm trying to figure out if I notice a difference now. I think it's just all in my head. Response? I don't know. No, I don't think so. It's really responsive anyway. It's torquey, kind of. Has that torquey feeling to it. This bike. But yeah, I don't know. I don't find too much of a difference. If there is one, it's very, very small. Well, that's my take and my video on the air filters. If you guys like it, give it a like. If you don't, give it a like. And consider subscribing.